Planning your first major event can feel overwhelming, with 1,000 moving pieces and zero room for error. But the companies that pull off incredible events are not just lucky, they're following a proven system. Over the last decade, we have powered over 50,000 plus events, from global enterprises like Microsoft, Nestle, and Abbott, to associations, event agencies, and non-profit organizations. Across all of these events, we have seen exactly what separates legendary events from complete disasters. In this video, I'm breaking down a practical step-by-step guide to help you plan a flawless event. Whether you're running a focused field marketing event for 50 attendees or a large-scale event with over 20,000 plus participants. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your event goals. Before you do anything else, start with the why before the what. Most event planning disasters happen because people skip this step and just dive right in. Your event goal determines literally everything else: the format, the venue, the speakers, and your entire budget. Without a clear objective, you're basically just throwing a party and crossing your fingers. So what are some of the most common event goals? See, maybe you're running a user conference, launching a new product, running a large-scale trade show, generating qualified leads, building deeper relationship with clients, creating networking opportunities, or increasing your brand visibility. Whatever it is, define what success actually looks like. Don't just say we want high attendance. Get specific with real measurable KPIs: registration numbers, attendance rate, session attendance, leads captured, engagement metrics, and post-event service scores. These metrics are going to guide every single decision you make moving forward. Step 2. Build your budget and timeline. Your budget determines your event scope. There's no way around it. Start by putting expenses into two categories: must-haves and nice-to-haves. And don't forget hidden costs like processing fee and last-minute additions. Budget for venue rental, event technology platform, marketing expenses, catering, speaker fees, staff, and even security. And please set aside a contingency fund. Trust me, you will need it. Now, your timeline is just as critical as your budget. Large-scale events need at least 9 to 18 months of planning. Medium events usually need 6 to 12 months, and even smaller events benefit from 3 to 4 months of preparation. And here is a pro tip: start way earlier than you think you need to. The best venues, speakers, and vendors get booked fast. Early planning gives you negotiation power and better rates. Step 3. Choose your event format. You have got 3 main formats to consider. Number 1, in-person events. Nothing beats the energy of people gathering in one space. It's perfect for networking and creating memorable experiences. Number 2, virtual events. Attendees can join from anywhere in the world, and it is significantly lower cost. It's easy to scale from 100 attendees to 10,000 plus attendees, and it's perfect for educational content and product launches. Number 3, hybrid events. This is the future. You capture both audiences simultaneously, maximize attendance, and get the highest potential ROI. You just need solid technology to bridge the gap. So how do you choose? See, think about where your audience is located and really think about what your event goals are. If you are building relationships, that's where in-person really shines. And if you're trying to rescale, virtual often works great. Step 4. Assemble your dream team. You cannot do this alone. The right team turns your vision into reality, and the wrong team creates chaos and missed deadlines. Key roles: event planner, marketing lead, event tech coordinator, content curator, operations manager, and volunteers for on-ground support. Define roles and responsibilities clearly from the start. No one should be asking who's handling this during your event. Create a responsibility matrix, have regular team meetings, use project management tools to track progress, and look for people who are genuinely passionate. Skills can be taught, but passion for creating great experiences cannot. Step 5, find and vet the right vendors. Before hunting down individual vendors, choose your event technology platform first. We need one central system to manage everything: event websites, registration, ticketing, email marketing, mobile apps, batch printing, lead capture app, online capabilities, and real-time analytics. Now, if you want an end-to-end platform that handles every single part of your event, instead of coordinating between 5 different vendors, then click the first link in the description and check out vFairs. vFairs power everything from small field marketing events, large-scale conferences, and trade shows. So again, click the first link in the description to see how vFairs works. For all other vendors, You still need event venue, catering services, AV companies with backup equipment, security teams for larger events, and transportation partners. So how do you vet them? Don't just compare prices. Read third-party reviews, check portfolios, ask and call references, verify licenses and insurance, and read contracts carefully. Get everything in writing. Verbal agreements mean nothing when something goes wrong. Step 6. Secure speakers and sponsors. Great speakers can make or break your event. Look for subject matter experts who deliver real value. Balance celebrity appeal with practical content that aligns with your event. Find speakers through your network. Research who's speaking at similar events. And don't overlook internal experts. Consider bringing in unexpected speakers like entertainers for variety. For sponsorships, create tiered packages with clear benefits like sponsored booths, guaranteed meetings or leads, logo placements, and speaking opportunities. Make it win-win. Help sponsors achieve their goals, provide post-event reports showing real ROI, and build relationships that turn into multi-year partnerships. Step 7. Create an engaging event agenda. Your agenda is the backbone of your event. Balance is everything. Learning, networking, and memorable experiences. Start with a welcome session that sets the tone. Place keynote speakers at prime times. Break up heavy content with interactive activities. Schedule networking breaks and meals at right times. Avoid content overload. Don't pack the schedule too tight. Leave buffer time for sessions running over. Mixed formats, panels, workshops, Q&As, and demonstrations. Add surprise elements like entertainment or games. Create different tracks for different segments. Let people customize their schedule based on interests. And share the agenda early so people can plan ahead. Step 8. Market your event like a pro. The first thing is building a high-converting landing page. Make it visually appealing, clearly communicate value, include speakers, exhibitors, and sponsors, add testimonials, and make registration easy. For marketing, make sure you leverage multiple marketing channels. The ones we see working best are email marketing campaigns to your database, social media promotion on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, paid ads on Google and other social platforms for wider reach, content marketing through blog posts and videos, influencer partnerships with industry thought leaders, press releases to relevant media outlets. And don't forget your speakers, attendees, sponsors, and exhibitors. They have audiences too. Give them ready-made content to share. And be sure to list your event everywhere. Industry directories, your own website, and all your partner sites. Step 9. Nail the day of logistics. For in-person events, confirm vendor deliverables. Have a detailed floor plan. Set up check-in stations with badge printing a day before. Test AV equipment multiple times. And brief your staff. For online and hybrid events, run through the platform the day before. Test all links. Have backup streaming ready. Train your speakers and set up tech support. Keep your team connected. Monitor social media and have a central command center. Stay calm when things go wrong. Start on time, end on time, manage speaker transitions, and use timers to keep things flowing. And prepare for failure. Have backup plans ready. What if a speaker cancels? What if internet goes down? The best event managers expect the unexpected. Now, as I said, even with this guide, managing events can feel overwhelming when you're juggling multiple vendors, platforms, and spreadsheets. That's why thousands of event organizers choose vFairs as their all-in-one event management platform. With vFairs, you get everything you need in one place. Custom event websites, registration, ticketing, online and hybrid event capabilities, badge printing app, mobile app, lead capture, and real-time analytics. Plus, you get a dedicated project manager and 24/7 support to guide you every step of the way. So if you're ready to take the stress out of your event planning and deliver an incredible experience your attendees will remember, click the link in the description to get a personalized demo and pricing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.